Howdy, y'all. We got this awesome kit from PetSmart. It's a pet grooming vacuum kit. We got this for free in exchange for a trial video. We're going to give you our honest opinion of it. They sent it to us because they saw our cute dog in some of the videos. Unfortunately, our dog is a Shiba and you're not supposed to trim them. But we found a willing victim. Who's this?
Pepper. He had a bath, so he's ready for his trim.
Ed and Nita gladly offered their dog as a victim to try this kit out. He needed a trim, and I mentioned that we had this kit, so it worked out perfectly. So we're going to see how it goes. Let's see what you get in the kit. So you get all different types of brushes and different connections. Pepper's going to check them out. He says, uh-oh, that don't look good. Little vacuum attachment. Little tiny brush. You got a crevice tool. Here is the beast itself.
Electric.
Yeah, it's electric. And then there's the compartment that stores all the fur. You got the vacuum hose. We got, this is the actual little clippers. I'll show you those.
Clippers.
Got the clippers. Oh, there's a handy storage case to put it all in. Pepper likes that. And a couple more little doodad. This looks like an air filter of some sort and a little brush. So, and of course, the instruction manual. So let's get to it. This is pretty handy. The cord stores underneath, and it doesn't look like much, but it's actually a pretty long cord. Look at this. So I like that. It stores the cord up and out of your way, and it's plenty long to reach just about any outlet. I think that's probably, what, 10 feet long or so? At least, maybe 12 feet. So this is handy. It just snaps right in here. You hear a nice click. And it's ready to go. You just got to choose your attachments that you want to put on it. Anita and Pepper are all ready to go. And this is how the device works. This moves the blade closer and further away. And then you just hold this down for 3 seconds. And this fires up the buzzer. And then you turn on the vacuum. And it's going to, as that cuts, it's going to vacuum right through there. And that turns the vacuum on. We're just going to do the little trim. Peppers. Oh, that works pretty well. The vacuum sucks the hair in, and then the buzzer just kind of trims it off. That works really good. Yeah, that's a good Pepper.
He's a good boy. That's a good boy, Jake. Good job. What a good boy. Hey, Pepper. He's a good boy.
He says, wait a minute. It's okay, little Peppers. Watch how it goes. Hold on, Peppers. See it, so I don't have to touch him with this. See? I mean, you'd want to touch him if you want to get it, like, super close. Right. But see how it's doing pretty good?
He's doing good.
Oh, that's a good boy.
Oh, what a good boy. That's unusual they let you do that. What a good boy you are. You're the best, Pepper. You're the very best.
What a good doggy. What a good doggy.
It's not too bad. It's not too scary for him.
Not at all. He just is so... He's trying to even it out a little bit.
That's a good boy.
Oh, there he goes.
That's a good boy.
There's a good Pepper. That's a good Pepper. Oh, you growling at your mama?
Yeah,
you growling at your mama?
She got too close to the goods.
Oh, yeah, don't nick his winky, as Kareem calls it.
Cute.
We just kind of did a preliminary pass and got him pretty good and trim.
Man,
and look at all that hair. Look at all that hair he doesn't have to wear no more. So you're going to want to make sure and stop every little bit and empty that out. But that was pretty easy. What did you think of it?
It's great. It worked really good.
What did you think of it, Pepper?
What do you think of it, little man? Huh? Was it good? This is Ed, Anita and Pepper, and it's Pawsmart.
And we love it.
We love it.
It a number 10. It worked really well, and Pepper liked it.
10 out of 10. You heard it here first, folks. Bye, Pepper.
Hi, Bubby.